Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. I know you want me to pump Pepe. I've been pumping the whole market for a while now. The thing is that I am in the mode of actually pumping Pepe. I'm kind of like in the mood. Do you want me to pump Pepe? I actually hear a lot of yes right now that my ears are blowing off with your voices saying, yeah, yeah, just do it, pump it up, you know. So the frog, eh? You want me to pump a frog like this? Okay, I'm gonna try to. So here's the scenario, right? The patterns are printing up, and there are some reversal pattern which looks something like this here on the 1 hour time frame. The daily kind of also look really nice to me, so I'm just gonna show you what the EMAs are showing right now. So look at this, okay? Move up like this. A bull cross is still maintained for Pepe and all these meme coins that I see, Dogecoin, SHIB, you name it. Okay, all of these things are actually maintaining their crosses right now. So what I want to say, and I'm going to keep it very short today because I'm kind of like in the mood of doing things a little bit fast right now. So you have a pattern, and this pattern, if it does break, you are looking for Pepe to continue to the upside. So you are meeting this resistance. One may say that you are making a left shoulder, head, and a right shoulder. So inverse head and shoulder is there. Some people may actually say that this is almost like an ascending triangle. I kind of think it's an ascending triangle more than inverse head and shoulder. So the decision is coming until 28th of March, which is 2 days from now. And the next technical target, keep in mind if you break to the upside, right? If you break up 12,000, which was never met before, but the break must happen again. The break must happen. And as far as I'm concerned, I'm in the mood of breaking it to the upside. But if something happens, if I get sick or anything and I walk away, or I hope that doesn't happen, right? If you do see the break go to the downside and retest and fail, then do understand it's going to go down. So the break is going to be your direction. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one in the office.